Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 best video editing software for YouTube. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Movavi Video Suite. Movavi Video Suite is an all-in-one video editor which is the combination of 3 software: video converter, video editor, and screen recorder. I think it is perfect choice for YouTube video makers. It is the top on our list because it comes with lifetime license, it is less priced. It gives more features and best performance than any other software. This is available in free and premium versions. Movavi is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating system. Highlights of Movavi Video Suite. Easy to use. Provides powerful tools and effects. Converts videos in a click. Available in free and premium versions. 30-day money-back guarantee. Number 2. Filmora Video Editor. Filmora is one of the best video editing software for YouTube. It is developed by Wondershare, which is one of the best software companies. This software can be used by Windows users as well as Mac users. With the software, you can freely edit your videos. This software allows you to color grade your videos easily. Highlights of Filmora. Easy to use. Professional user interface. Huge library of filters and effects. Available for both Windows and Mac operating system. Number 3. Corel Video Studio. Corel Video Studio is the best video editing tool and also award-winning software. With this software, you can crop or resize your videos. This software includes 3D video editing and stop-motion animation feature, which are major highlights. You can edit your videos with 4-angle multi-camera video editors. It has 2 versions, such as Pro and Ultimate. Highlights of Corel Video Studio. Easy and intuitive user interface. Packed with powerful tools and cool effects. Supports most of the video formats. Optimized rendering. Available in free trial and premium versions. Number 4. iMovie. iMovie is another method to edit your videos before uploading them on YouTube. You can't download it from Google for free. This software allows you to add effects to your videos. It has a huge set of templates and filters. Highlights of iMovie. Free to use. Lightweight application. Professional tools and effects. Built-in application in MacBook. Number 5. Windows Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker is another video editing tool for YouTube videos. This software is available only for Windows users. With this video editing software, you can create, edit, and publish your videos on platforms like Facebook and YouTube. This is user-friendly editing software and it is easy to learn for new users. Highlights of Windows Movie Maker. Free to download. Provides all the required tools and effects. Supports most video formats. Can be downloaded from Microsoft Store. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.